Nagbigay ng kanilang saloobin ang mga anak ni Rufa Gutierrez na sina Lorraine at Benny sa mga kinakaharap na isyu ng kanilang pamilya. Sa panayam kay MJ Marfori, sinabi ng magkapatid na Lorraine at Venice na alam nila ang mga naglalabasang isyu sa kanilang pamilya. Bagamat hindi binanggit kung anong isyu ito, ilang linggo nang laman ng usap-usapan ang kanilang uncle na si Richard Gutierrez, estranged wife nitong si Sara Labati at kanilang lola na si Annabel Rama. Ani Lorraine, there's nothing to tell. I love all members of my family, past or present. We just have so much love. I hope people are a little kinder and more careful with their words for both sides. With any situation, the privacy of family, it's really painful, as it is to have other opinions. Also, it makes things even more complicated, so just be careful before you click or before you type, sabi pa ni Lorraine. Sinabi naman ni Venice na marami silang nakikitang fake news. There's a lot of fake news. I've been seeing a lot of fake news. As for anyone, they shouldn't believe all that they see online because it's just not true.